Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In Part 2, we focus on the most impactful energy-efficient upgrades Japanese automakers are implementing for 2026, from building design improvements to smarter power and control systems. The factory building itself is the first line of defense. A factory works like a giant container, and if there are leaks, energy escapes constantly. Upgrades include adding high-grade insulation to walls and roofs to block heat during hot summers. High-speed doors and air curtains at loading docks prevent conditioned air from escaping whenever trucks arrive. Skylights and smart lighting sensors reduce the need for electric lighting during the day. Zoned HVAC systems provide another major improvement. Instead of cooling an entire warehouse, the system sends air only to work zones or sensitive production areas. This also improves dust control, which benefits electronics assembly and paint quality. Electrify heat where it makes sense and recover heat where it doesn't. Traditional factories rely on gas boilers to produce steam. By 2026, more plants will transition to industrial heat pumps. These systems move heat instead of generating it, using far less energy than gas combustion. They are well suited for low-temperature processes such as metal washing. For high-temperature needs like paint ovens, heat recovery becomes the priority. Heat exchangers capture exhaust heat and reuse it to preheat incoming air. This keeps energy inside the building and reduces fuel consumption. Motor systems, compressed air, and pumps are hidden energy hogs. Most factory equipment depends on electric motors. Older motors operate at a constant full speed regardless of demand. Installing variable frequency drives allows motors to slow down when loads are light, producing significant energy savings over time. Fixing compressed air leaks is another simple but powerful upgrade. Even a tiny leak can waste large amounts of electricity each year. Electric motors upgraded with VFDs typically achieve large reductions in energy use. Compressed air leak detection programs save thousands in annual operating costs. LED lighting combined with sensors dramatically reduces lighting energy. Paint oven heat recovery lowers gas consumption and improves temperature stability. On-site power and controls with solar and storage. The final design element for 2026 factories is the microgrid. This includes rooftop solar systems paired with battery storage. Batteries perform peak shaving by supplying energy when grid prices are highest. Smart factory energy management systems monitor power use in real time. When demand reaches a set limit, the system can automatically dim lighting or slow non-essential equipment. This demand response strategy reduces costs and ensures critical assembly lines stay powered. By planning upgrades carefully and measuring real results, factories can cut costs, reduce emissions, and stay resilient in a changing industry. These strategies help Japanese car manufacturers prepare their plants for the future while keeping production strong. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.